Bonjour et bienvenue to my YouTube channel Learn French with Shifa. It is part 4 of our pronoun series and today we are going to learn the adverbial pronouns. As the name suggests, adverbial pronouns, they are not only the pronouns which could replace the nouns, they are also used as the adverb of a place or a quantity, or they are used to replace a preposition of the object. In French, we have two adverbial pronouns, en and y. And today in this video, we are going to learn the en adverbial pronouns. So let's get started. Now as you can see, en could replace beings, things as well as the places. Starting with the first point, en replaces the direct objects. Direct objects, it could be things or the beings. So far we have studied that direct object replacement is COD, the complement objet dire, direct object pronouns. But now we are going to learn that en also replaces the direct object when they come with article indifference or the article partitive. We know the options here, a, un, they, du, dala, the, l apostrophe, des. If these options are there and the object is direct, it will be replaced with en and not cod. Let's learn it better with the help of one example. J'ai une voiture. J'ai une voiture. I have a car. Now see, it is the direct object of the verb avoir. And this is with article indefinite, une. Now what do we need to do? We need to replace this voiture with en, which is j apostrophe en, journée. And now see what is the most important thing here. Une. I have ended my sentence with the quantity because it is the rule whenever we are going to use en, that numbers and quantities to be mentioned at the end of the sentence in any positive sentence where en is there, not in negative sentences. Let's see some more examples here. First, il invite des amis. He invites some friends. Now this is des amis, article indefinite. So the answer is il en invite. Il en invite. Now we are not mentioning des because it is an article, not a quantity. Third, nous achetons du fromage. We buy some cheese. Some cheese, article partitive, replacement is en. Nous en achetons. Again we are not writing du as it is an article, not a quantity. Elle a un frère. She has a brother. Now un frère, replacement is en. Elle en a, and then we mention the quantity one. Un. Elle en a un. Last, je veux de l'eau. I want some water. Je veux de l'eau. Article partitive with eau, replacement is en. Je veux. I want some. Now in third part, we will see that if numbers come with direct object, they don't take COD, they take en. As well as the adverbs of quantity. Beaucoup de, a lot of, un peu de, a bit of, tant de, so much, so many. So all these adverbs of quantity and the other adverbs too, like quelque and plusieurs, if they come with direct object, they take en and not COD. Like for example, il a de stylo. Il a de stylo. He has 2 pens. Now the number is mentioned 2 pens. So the replacement of stylo is not with COD but with en. And we will write the at the end. Il en a de, as in affirmative sentences and positive sentences, en takes the numbers and quantities at the end of the sentence. Second, j'ai beaucoup d'amis. Now beaucoup d'amis is one of the adverbs of quantity. J'ai beaucoup d'amis. I have a lot of friends. Now this will be replaced with en. J'en ai. And we would mention the quantity at the end, that is beaucoup. Third, nous avons quelques affiches. We have few posters. Now quelques is an adverb and we would replace it with en. Nous en avons and we would write at the end quelques. And now further we are going to learn en usage with de preposition. Now in B part, en replaces something and some place if they come with de preposition. For example, il parle de ses vacances. He talks about his vacations. Now ses vacances is coming here with de preposition. So we would replace it with en pronoun. Il en parle. Second example, deuxième exemple. Je parle de mes problèmes. I talk about my problems. My problems with de preposition, en is the pronoun. Je parle. Now we will see the replacement of a place with de preposition. First, vous venez de France. Vous venez de France. Are you coming from France? Now France with de replaced with en. Vous en venez. And now last, je sors de la bibliothèque. I go out from the library. It is de la, but it is made up of de preposition. So we will replace it with en, the bibliothèque. J'en sors. I go out from there. And with this, I conclude my today's video. I hope that you have enjoyed watching it. And please like and subscribe to my channel Learn French with Shifa and press the bell icon for the latest notification. For any comments and suggestions, put them in the comment section. I'll see you soon with a new video where we talk about why the adverbial pronouns. Donc, au revoir.